Welcome back. We are live at CCW Customer Contact Week here in Las Vegas. We've been having some great conversations about how our platform and integrated soft phone dialer provide the right customer experience and ensure that your agents are happy and set up for success. With agent turnover being a challenge across all industries, the right technology can really help minimize this hard reality. Tom, what are some of the challenges that you're seeing agents face these days?
Well, some of the biggest challenges that we've seen are the need for agents to switch between different screens while actually live talking to a customer.
Yeah.
We actually have an example here.
Great.
So what we're showing off here is our integration with Salesforce. So out of the box, we support this right away. So if anyone is used to using Salesforce, the format will be very familiar. So an example of this is we'll actually simulate a customer calling in. So this is what the agent would look at. They'd have their computer in front of them. The call would come in through the phone, and then we would see it on the desktop. Now what's nice about this is right away what we see is all of the customer information on the same screen automatically before we even answer. So when we go to answer, we can say, "Hello, Mr. Grissom. This is Tom with Deltapath. Good to hear from you again. How are you today?" Okay, yes, we'd be very happy to do that. We look forward to finalizing the negotiations. And I do see here that the latest negotiation was for $1 million contract, and we are set to have the next meeting tomorrow at 1 p.m. Very good. Yes, we look forward to having that call with you. Thanks for calling to check in. Look forward to talking tomorrow. Okay, so we get done with that call. We simply end the call with just one touch. Now we had all of that customer information at our fingertips right here on the same screen. So it could be any tickets that are open, it could be any customer history, and it's in the same format that most Salesforce users are familiar with. So if we needed to, in that conversation, if that Mr. Grissom would have been asking about something, some details that happened in a previous meeting, a previous email, all of that is available to us right here on the same screen. So it's one unified view. You're not clicking back and forth between screens like is a very common issue. So in this case, we got done with our call. We see our history over here to the right. What we're going to do is add in this call history here. So the same setup here that is common within Salesforce. And we'll just put call notes really quickly in here. And then we'll save those call notes. And those automatically get saved and time-stamped. And anytime a call or an email comes in from this customer, it's automatically going to be associated with Mr. Grissom. So we have all the latest updated info there. We know we have a meeting with Mr. Grissom scheduled for tomorrow to finalize the negotiations for the $1 million contract. And then we realize we have a schedule conflict. We cannot do 1 o'clock, so we're going to call Mr. Grissom back really quick and see if we can slightly adjust that schedule. So another very handy option here is just to go right to the phone number on the same screen again. You're not clicking between screens with us. One click. You see it dial through the phone. You see Agent Tom is calling Mr. Grissom's phone. Then Mr. Grissom answers, Mr. Grissom, sorry to call you back so quickly. I'm glad I was able to catch you. We just realized that we do have a schedule conflict at 1 o'clock. Is there a way we can do that same meeting at 1:30 tomorrow? Outstanding. Thank you for your flexibility. We very much look forward to doing business with you and look forward to our call tomorrow. Take care.
Awesome. Thanks, Tom. So for those of you who are here in Vegas, we're going to be giving away our 3-in-1 charging station. So come by booth 135 to visit us. If you're not here, we're happy to reach out and get you one of your own. Just drop us a comment below and we will be happy to get in touch and get you your own. Thanks very much.